Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll take you through the seamless process of mobile and laptop repair services, from pickup to delivery. First, let's talk about our convenient pickup services. No need to worry about finding a repair shop or waiting in long queues. Our certified technicians will come directly to your location to collect your device. Once we receive your device, our skilled technicians will conduct a thorough diagnostic assessment to identify the issue. Whether it's a cracked screen, faulty battery, or software glitch, we've got you covered. Our team will work diligently to repair your device using the latest tools and techniques. Quality is our top priority. Before returning your device, we conduct rigorous quality assurance tests to ensure that everything is functioning perfectly. We guarantee the highest standard of repairs to provide you with peace of mind. Throughout the repair process, we keep you informed every step of the way. You'll receive regular updates on the status of your device via email or text message, so you're always in the loop. Once your device is fully repaired and tested, it's time for delivery. Our technicians will carefully package and deliver your device back to you at your convenience. Sit back, relax, and let us handle the rest. And there you have it. The seamless process of mobile and laptop repair services, designed to make your life easier. Trust us with your devices, and we'll ensure they're back in your hands in no time. Thanks for watching.